Hey, what's happening? It's James Canzanella, your Affilio hero, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to make money with affiliate marketing. And the cool part about it is that you don't need a website and you pretty much don't even need any money. You can do this as long as you have a laptop and maybe 1-2 other things that are usually going to be free. First and foremost, before we begin, this isn't going to be like a super long, drawn-out training. What I like doing is keeping things as simple as possible, giving you the main ideas along with some details so that you can actually take it and run with it, take action on it, make some money. I'm not going to go over every minor little detail because I feel like that just takes way too much time when it comes to doing these trainings. Aside from that, if you would like further details when it comes to making money online, especially with affiliate marketing and bigger, higher ticket commissions, I'll put a link down below where you can actually sign up for a training to give you some further information about that in case this doesn't do justice. Okay, so aside from that, let's begin. And this is one of the tools that you're going to be using. But before I do that, so what we're going to be doing is leveraging long tail keywords, and thanks to a great tool like this, which is called keywordtool.io, you can actually find out a lot of great buyer keywords. So what I like doing is reviewing usually any type of product, offer, or service. Specifically in this case, I'm going to be going with software. So the cool thing about software is that it's usually going to be recurring, which means you can make some passive income with it. And two, it's going to be very easy to get a quote unquote review copy. I notice a lot of people struggle when it comes to getting review copies because they might be new, they don't have any experience, and sometimes vendors aren't going to be willing to give out their $1,000 products to someone who's brand new because either they don't have a lot of traffic, they can't promote it as well, and that's fine, that happens. But the cool thing with a lot of software is that usually they either come with a free trial or like a $1 trial, so you can always just test it out yourself very easily, very quickly, and there's not going to be any hassle when it comes to review copies for software. So in this example, I'm just going to use a generic autoresponder because I'm actually going to be doing some videos for this in the future. So just wanted to throw that out there. What I'm going to be doing is GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing tool, okay? And I use them. I've used them many times before. I like them. But what I'm going to do is kind of walk you through the type of keywords you're going to want to look for. So anything that usually has buyer intent is going to be great. And don't worry too much about the volume. That's not going to be as big of a deal. When it comes to YouTube, it's usually going to be generally easy to rank a lot of these. So examples of buyer keywords would be GetResponse pricing. When someone searches for that, they usually want to know how much it's going to cost before they buy. That's a great buyer keyword. Anything with versus in it is usually going to be a great buyer keyword. They want to know which one is better, GetResponse or MailChimp. Review, obviously, going to be a great buyer keyword. GetResponse versus Aweber. A lot of these usually wouldn't be. Alternatives is going to be a good one if you wanted to promote, say, like Aweber or MailChimp. Okay, keep that in mind. A/B testing. Billing, blacklist, bounce rate, bounces, bad requests, contact, ClickFunnels, and so on and so forth. So what you would do, discount coupon, if there was one, you can make a video for that, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of them. Free plan, okay, that wouldn't be bad because you can give them a free trial. That would be one, probably rank very easily for that. There's 4 more pages, but just for this example, I'm going to say that we're going to do like a GetResponse review because review is very obvious when it comes to creating videos. That's usually what people search for the most. So I could just open up, this right here and say GetResponse review. What I would do is actually create a list of buyer related keywords that I would like to rank and then go from there. That'll give you enough like ammunition. So once you create one, you'll know what to do next. Okay. So that would be the keyword I would be going after first. Now, how do we actually record the screen like I'm doing right now? Well, you actually saw before, and this is a really cool tool. I actually like this better than a lot of the paid ones. Like I've used Camtasia, I've used Screencast-O-Matic, I used a few others. This one is literally 100% free. Like there's no catch to it. I'm using right now. It's awesome. As long as you have a microphone, you can use it. And like I said, you probably don't need any money with this because most computers actually have microphones attached to them. If you don't have one, buy one for $10 or, break the bank and get a Yeti like I have. I think it was $100. I bought that probably back in 2013, and the amount of money that it's allowed me to make has been ridiculous. Aside from that, I'm not going to go over how to record it. It tells you exactly how to do it. You pretty much just put it on the screen where you want it to record. You hit the record button, you talk about what you need to talk about, then you hit done, and you can save it. You can even chop it up too. So when I mess up a million times, I can actually cut out the part that I messed up. Very easy to do. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going over all the details, but when it comes to a review, pretty much just give your honest opinion. What did you like about it? How does it benefit you? Was it easy to use? Was it simple to use? Even if you're a beginner or newbie, did you get up and running quickly? When it comes to GetResponse, do you like their automation process? Do you like the autoresponder process? Is it easy to integrate into your ClickFunnels squeeze page? And so on and so forth. You can also talk about things you might not have liked, but still didn't make like a, make or break decision, still allowed you to get it, because usually all type of softwares have flaws, okay? After you are done recording, what you're going to do is need to upload and optimize. So what I'm going to actually do is go to YouTube and upload a video to show you how I would optimize it. All right, so I just uploaded a random video. What I did is just I recorded my background of my computer for about a second just so I could get a video, there you go, of Australia, just so I could show you what it would be all about. So notice how it says keyword here. What I like doing is naming the video of the actual keyword, and that's usually what you want to put first. So I could do get response review. Okay, then I usually like putting emojis in the middle. If you go to getomoji.com, you can add some there. So I'm going to open that up and show you how to add some cool emojis to your videos. All right, awesome. So as you can see here, there's a ton of different emojis. You can do like a thumbs up if you want. Where's the thumbs up? There we go. And all you need to do is copy it, Control C if you're using Windows. There, and then you could add in some other get response keywords if you want. So something else that would go with the review might be like 2009, or you could do get response bonuses if you want, or, is get response worth it? Question mark. Okay. Put this here, 2019. So very important tags. So get response review. You could do get response, spelled that wrong. Get response review 2019. I like doing a lot of different variations of the words, okay? And then like is get response worth it? And like I said, when you run keywordtool.io, that's the spot where you can actually look for more keywords to put in there. I like about 6 or 7. You don't need a ton of them, obviously, but let's go to the description. So, get response free trial below. And then what I would do, you can go to the emoji section. Cool little trick to use arrows in your videos, because usually YouTube doesn't allow them, but if you use an emoji, it really sticks out. I really like that. So where is it to the right? There it is. So I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. Then this would be, your affiliate link.com. And this you can use like bit.ly or tinyurl.com. It's really going to be up to you. Now below this, what I like to do is just writing a bit about what the video is going to be about. So like, thank you for watching my get response review video. I put some of the keywords in there. In this review, I will be going over, and then like what you talk about, XYZ1, XYZ could be benefits, what you liked, and sometimes I like putting the keywords in there once again. Not a lot, just enough to help to let YouTube know that my video is going to be about it. And that's about it. Don't forget to pick up your free get response trial below. And then you could probably put your affiliate link again. Enjoy. Okay. And last but not least, what you would be doing for a custom thumbnail. So let me open up a great website and I can show you how to get those done for free. All right, so here I am on canva.com, that's C-A-N-V-A, and you actually can create a lot of cool thumbnails when it comes to YouTube here. Now, there's plenty of other sites when it comes to this, but this is this one I happen to use in the past. I actually like Fiverr. What I do is I'll create one thumbnail, and then I'll just edit it online, so it'll cost like $7, but then I have one, for my entire channel that I can pretty much just keep using over and over again. A lot of these aren't the best theme for like a get response review, but let me just kind of show you. So get response review. Not the greatest in the world. I'm just doing one very quickly. Is get response worth it? Okay, and then what I would do is just download that on the top. Okay, so now that I have my download, what I'm going to do is go back to YouTube. I'm going to open up custom thumbnail and just simply upload it there. Now that's loaded. Okay, obviously I wouldn't use something that like, I don't know, it's kind of bad. To be honest, like I said, I'm doing a lot of this quick. But aside from that, it wouldn't be on private, it would be public. I'm just not saving this, I'm gonna delete this. Then I would hit done and I would upload it. That's pretty much the process I go through when it comes to creating these types of videos. Now, the cool thing when it comes to ranking, let me tell you some of the best ways to get your video ranking. First is going to be click-through rate. So click-through rate is going to be really big when it comes to obviously using a good thumbnail. The better your thumbnail, the better clicks you're going to get. I've done this multiple times before where I've had a video with like 25, maybe 40 views or so, and it'll be outranking videos with 50,000 views and 30,000 views and that have been around for years because I know the process of getting people to click. So thumbnail is very important. Obviously, the keyword optimization, which is going to help get your video where it needs to be. Click-through rate, watch time, and of course engagement. Engagement is going to be thumbs up, thumbs down, and comments. So when you post your video, if you can post it anywhere else to help you get views, that would be awesome. If you have a list and it's related to what your list likes, send it to them. If you have a Facebook group, a Facebook page, post it on there and people are going to like it. The more engagement, the more thumbs up, the more comments, the more click-throughs you get, the more it's going to help you rank. And that's pretty much a process that you can keep repeating over and over because there's about 1 million products out there. There's 1 million affiliate programs. You can do it for Amazon. You can do it for software. You can do it on Muncheye, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, recurring products, whatever it's going to be. And that's what I've been doing for a long time, is creating a lot of different videos depending on the niche and obviously what the keywords are going to be. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. That's how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. No website needed and pretty much no money. Like I said, you would just need a microphone and most computers already have those, okay? If you enjoyed that, be sure to give it a thumbs up or feel free to leave a comment down below. And aside from that, if you would like some more affiliate training when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing and some higher ticket products, be sure to check the link down below or the button. That resource, I think you're really going to love it. Either way, I'm James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this training about how to make money with affiliate marketing.